So after a year of being cooped up inside due to a global pandemic, what was the first thing that you thought about doing once you got vaccinated?
Going to Disney World.
Well, too bad we didn't do that. So Easter weekend, we decided to rent a pontoon boat and take it out on the Clermont chain of lakes.
Yeah. It was nice. I was surprised growing up in this area, and I didn't realize how much it had changed.
Yeah, we picked up the boat from the Minneola Inn.
Mm-hmm.
If you know the Clermont area at all, it's the Tiki bar.
That's what everyone calls it.
Yeah. They rent pontoon boats from there.
Mm-hmm.
We hop on the boat, and it's all just a tool around Minneola, Lake Minneola for a little bit.
You could get used to driving.
Yeah.
Feel its throttle.
Oh, feel its incredible throttle.
At 25 miles per hour.
Once we finished tooling around, we went under one of the bajillion overpasses as we continue down the Clermont chain of lakes.
Yeah.
So this one led us straight into Lake Hiawatha.
Mm-hmm.
You keep heading south, and you eventually get to Lake Palatlakaha.
Yeah.
But not unless you go under the second overpass.
And go through a retirement community.
So that got us into Lake Palatlakaha.
Mm-hmm. If you're not from Florida, all these words that we've been saying, Palatlakaha, Hiawatha, Minneola, Minnehaha, are all Native American words. It's Florida. We're used to it.
On the other side of Lake Palatlakaha is yet another overpass. Mm-hmm. You pass underneath that one, and you're right into Lake Minnehaha. It's a fucking big-ass lake.
Yeah.
You get to the other side of Minnehaha, and you find a canal that gets you into Lake Susan. Also underneath another overpass. If you're counting, that's 4 so far. On the other side of Lake Susan is actually our favorite part of the trip.
Of the trip, yeah.
It was the Crooked River.
Yep.
The Crooked River is 1.2 miles, I think. Mm-hmm. And when they say crooked, they mean crooked.
Oh yeah.
This thing is nothing but just curves all the way through it.
Yeah.
The actual river itself wasn't that wide.
No.
It was only wide enough to let like 2 boats pass.
Yeah.
But it was definitely the prettiest part of the trip.
Yeah.
We actually saw some cows.
Yeah. Which apparently they had also been there when I was a kid.
Yeah.
These cows just hanging out on the side of a river, like in the water.
And then you get to the end of the Crooked River, and I mean, it just dumps right into Lake Louisa.
Yeah.
So we tooled around Lake Louisa for a little bit, and then I was like, man, I got to get back on that Crooked River. So the day was absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully the next time you'll see us, we will have come back from, I don't know, eating at some restaurant at Disney, or, you know, doing something more than just sitting and watching Falcon and the Winter Soldier.
Yeah.
Anyway. Alright guys. Well, until next time.